Hello viewers, welcome to Tastic World. Can you imagine a plane that can never be shot down, a plane that can refuel in midair, and a plane that can survive a nuclear attack? Sounds like something straight out of a spy movie, right? Well, this is no fiction. This is Air Force One, the most powerful and secure aircraft in the world. Whenever the President of the United States travels, this massive blue and white Boeing 747 lands with him. But what makes this aircraft so special? Why is it considered a flying fortress? In today's video, we'll reveal 10 mind-blowing facts that make Air Force One the most advanced and secure aircraft ever built. Stick around till the end because reason number one will leave you speechless. And hey, if you love aviation, technology, and powerful machines, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tastic World, the Vault of Wonders. Let's take off. Number 10. A flying White House. Air Force One is not just a plane, it's a mobile White House in the sky. It has a fully equipped presidential office, a high-tech conference room, and an encrypted communication system. This means that even while flying thousands of feet above the ground, the president can make critical decisions, hold meetings, and even command military operations. Number 9. Unmatched security. This aircraft is one of the most secure places on the planet. It has bulletproof windows, armored plating, and advanced radar jamming technology that can disrupt enemy signals. In case of an attack, the aircraft can deploy countermeasures to dodge incoming missiles. Simply put, Air Force One is not just a plane, it's a high-tech flying fortress. Number 8. Advanced self-defense system. Ever wondered what would happen if an enemy tried to fire a missile at Air Force One? Well, they wouldn't stand a chance. This aircraft is equipped with top-secret electronic countermeasures, infrared missile defense systems, and heat flares that can divert enemy missiles away. Number 7. Mid-air refueling capability. Unlike commercial planes that need to land for refueling, Air Force One can refuel in mid-air. This means that during an emergency, the president can stay airborne for days or even weeks, making the aircraft nearly unstoppable. Number 6. Can survive a nuclear attack. Yes, you heard that right. Air Force One is built to withstand a nuclear blast. The aircraft's special shielding protects against electromagnetic pulses, EMP, from a nuclear explosion. If a nuclear attack wipes out communications on the ground, Air Force One will remain fully functional, allowing the president to continue leading the nation. Number 5. A flying fortress. Air Force One is built like a military bunker in the sky. Its entire body is reinforced with heavy armor plating, making it resistant to gunfire, explosions, and even missile attacks. Its bulletproof windows and secure internal systems make it one of the safest places for the president, even in times of war. Number 4. Medical emergency facilities. What if the president has a medical emergency mid-flight? No worries. Air Force One has a fully equipped medical facility, including an operating room. A doctor is always on board, ensuring that the president and crew have access to emergency healthcare at any time. Number 3. Ultra-luxurious interiors. This aircraft is not just about security, it's about comfort and luxury too. Air Force One features a private presidential suite, state-of-the-art meeting rooms, and high-end dining areas where gourmet meals are prepared by top chefs. Traveling in this plane is the ultimate VIP experience. Number 2. Secret takeoff and landing procedures. Air Force One's flight plans and routes are classified, making it nearly impossible for enemies to track its movements. In some cases, decoy aircraft are used to confuse potential threats. It also gets priority clearance at any airport, meaning all other flights are put on hold whenever it takes off or lands. Number 1. Symbol of American power and prestige. Finally, Air Force One is not just an aircraft, it's a symbol of the United States' global power. Whenever this plane lands in another country, it's not just the president arriving, it's a representation of the entire US government. This aircraft demands respect, authority, and attention, making it one of the most iconic symbols of American leadership. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about Air Force One. Now you know why this is the most powerful aircraft in the world. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tastic World, the Vault of Wonders for more exciting videos. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.